very sunny. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so bright. Oh, let's lock up and get out of here. Some dark clouds to the west. I wonder if it's gonna snow on us or something. Over this way with the bright sun. We got blue skies over that way. Yeah, it's dark. Little doggies are staying in. It's actually pretty nice out. Oh, there's a chicken. There you are. Hey, chicken. Pecking around in the food thing. Alright, looks like all their bread's gone. But the sparrows got most of that. There's no crows around. They've been here every day for like the last week. I could leave some treats. I don't know. Maybe I'll leave a little tiny pile just in case someone comes by because they know to check. Just a small amount. Come on, open up, open up. Yeah, just a little bit. Because they'll be back. And if I don't see them, at least they got a chance of getting something. Well, there's some of my crows. Zoom in more. They often hang out at that tree. I see like two. Half expected them to come to me as soon as I rounded the corner. I'm gonna go over there and try and leave them a treat. Oh, here you come. Hey, I was just heading over to you. We're right out in the back of the post office. Hey there. Good morning. Is your friend going to come over? One second, I'm getting your treats open. Okay, zoom back out. Right here is good. No one's going to be coming this way. There. There's a decent little pile. Woohoo! Yeah! I can hear your other friend. Well, they can come join. You can tell them about it. Oh! There's one. And there's a third. Yeah. Good stuff. Maybe I should have left a little more. I didn't know there was 3 of them. Alright, see you guys later. Well, Main Street's pretty slow. I like being able to walk across so leisurely. Oh, hey you. Oh, there's 2 of you. How you guys doing? You see there's another one. Like, there. You can see it better now. Okay, you want extra treats, don't you? One second. You followed me like 2 blocks. Okay, get these out. Let's find a good spot. Oh, I'm gonna put it in the snow just because I don't want it in the street. There. That's a pretty good sized pile for you. You happy now? Alright. I guess your buddy will join when he's ready. Okay, you have fun. Deer footprint? There's been kitties through here. Kitties. Okay. Yeah. I could actually, if it, nah, dang. I thought maybe I could see the crows from here. I'm not far. It's just the street over there. Get out, zoom back out. So, nothing, no critters, nothing going on. But it sure is pretty. I like looking at the water. That's why it's one of my favorite secret spots. Just having a quick look at the water. Ooh, bird. Let's check out the other side. I'm always hoping to see a heron or ducks or, I don't know, a muskrat. I've seen them like zip into pipes and stuff. It's possible. Alright, on to Fred Meyer then. I definitely see some doves up in the tree. Maybe you can, oh boy, there's a bunch in there. I see little moving lumps all over. I'm surprised I haven't spooked them yet. I don't want to get pooped on. I'm scared. I'm gonna move over here in the street. Yeah. Oh, so many. Yeah, they love that tree. Doggies. Anyone gonna pop up? Ah! Hi, doggy! Haven't seen him in a few days. Do you hear that? There's a crow there making some noise right up on the building. And, oh boy, it's bright. Can I see it? Dang, there's a hawk flying by. Not sure what he was calling about. Where'd he go? Oh. Either, I don't know, either he saw something up there or he saw me. I don't know. Can I pick it up? It's back there. Way in the distance, there's a hawk. I see a kitty way up there. Kitty! I don't know if I can catch up to it. I got the sun in my eye. Let's take a quick peek at these chickens. Hey chickens. Looks like most of you are out. Hey. Wonder where that kitty went. Okay. I told you it's sunny.
Oh. Is it dry?
Well, no. I mean, it's all,
that's right, yeah.
it's melting.
Right.
snow patches everywhere.
I see from the roof.
Yeah, there's snow patches everywhere.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get going.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Have a good time.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, there's Velcro. What's he looking? Oh, he's looking at that tasty dove. Hey, hello over there. Somewhere. Doesn't look like a crow. Well, they're around. Bye bye, kitty. Where are you at? I'm hearing all sorts of things. Oh. Wonder if he's talking to me. Well, if he follows, he'll get a treat. Oh, where are you going? Huh. I don't know. Oh yeah! Party bush! In full swing. Woohoo! Is that crow? Bye bye. I love the look of our snowy hills. I'm heading to McDonald's now. It's kind of gray everywhere. I thought like it would clear up a little, but it's just kind of staying overcast, but it's nice. So that's okay. It's sunny but overcast. Good walking weather at least. So many birds. We got some doves and a magpie up here. Several sparrows. We're almost at the party bush. Lots of birds. I can hear it. Party's in full swing. Small party here too. Oh, they're all on top of the house. I see like 3 of them. Look at them. All those little birds. They're kind of quiet now. Okay, I'll stop bothering you so you can get back to partying. I just saw a magpie carrying a stick. I guess it's adding on to that nest there. There it goes. Oh, magpie. Ooh, bye-bye. And Velcro's still here. What a sweet kitty. Oh, other kitty. Hi, kitty. I know you don't want to socialize. He's on the electrical box probably because it's warm. Oh, sleepy kitty. Alright, I won't bother you. I know he'll run if I try anything. I might get in and eat some hot food.